I'm an admin director in state government. I've spent years in aerospace and the weapons industry. I chose the course because I wanted to get a true understanding of the current state of AI. Everyone seems to be professing all of these positives, but I know there's some potential negatives. And I really wanted to have a good grounding of what the current situation truly is, instead of just sales hype. And I really got that with this program. I felt confident starting the course. It's an introductory level. If you don't understand anything about AI, it's fine. But with the potential range of knowledge in the course, it was really interesting. The instructor knew so much about it. It doesn't really matter what's about AI coming in. There's just so much to learn. I think the most valuable part to me was understanding the current state of AI, what it truly is and what it truly can do, not just the sales predictions and the hype. So seeing what it's capable of, the problems you can solve with it, the assistance it can provide, that was the most valuable. Oh, I started immediately with it, and the paper that I wrote, I've applied, and we're seeing real gains, mapping processes, and that was my main interest, was to take verbal comments about a process and create mapped flows of process that you can improve to speed up the process of government, and it's doing quite well. It's easier to communicate with people and use their input to create products. I can take verbal comments. Like I said, we'd use transcriptions. People just talk about their process, and we can apply that. It'll flow it, and people can see what they really do. It's been a real useful tool. Oh, I think it was an easy balance. It's real concise information. Mark James was an incredible instructor. He anticipated what you need to know. It was very structured and very informative. I think it's real easy to balance. It's just a small amount of time. But the potential benefits are way beyond what the commitment was. I see it in my development of coworkers and subordinates more than myself, helping them use AI to the best advantage, getting the most out of it and not getting bogged down in things that it's just not good for at this time. A resounding yes, because no matter what level you're at, I mean, it is an introductory course, but the potential that you can get out of it is really unlimited. Don't be swayed by the fact that it seems like, well, it's an introductory course. The instructor can take you just about anywhere you want to go as far as the subject. So I would highly recommend it. I think it was a great course. Like I said, the potential is limited by just your curiosity.